Welcome to 20 Shore Road in Old Greenwich, Connecticut, south of the village, close to shops, restaurant, short distance to the beach and train. Wonderful front porch with front porch swing. All hardwood floors and wonderful detail throughout. Formal living room. French doors to the porch, wood-burning fireplace leads you to the formal dining room with a china closet. Home office with another study area off of it. First floor laundry room. Back through the formal dining room into a transition area with wonderful detail. Eat-in kitchen with wooden cabinets, stainless steel appliances, gas stove top, limestone floors, sub-zero refrigerator, double ovens, adorable kitchen with breakfast nook, cathedral ceiling, out to the large and very usable deck, fenced in yard with a sandbox and a vegetable garden. Back into the breakfast room. Leads you into a playroom, home office, study area, whatever your needs are. It's very transitional, has wonderful built-ins and a lot of space. Family room is off the kitchen area, nice and bright. Multiple closets. Side entrance. First floor full bath leads into what we call the fourth bedroom on the first floor. Back into the main hallway. Up the stairs to the second floor. Everything's been renovated, freshly painted. First bedroom, double closet, plus a single closet leads you into the full bath with a tub. Wooden countertops, feels like a ship, into a half bath. Linen closet leads you into a bedroom with walk-in closet and a single closet. Nice skylight and detail. Now we're going to head into the master. There are multiple closets. Wonderful master bath, 2 sinks, tub, and separate shower. And a wonderful master bedroom. Cathedral ceiling, what an oasis. More built-ins. And thanks for taking our tour. There is a lower level with a 1-car garage, storage, and utility room.